Bakka wall, slum, dump, sewage-filled roads. A few of the descriptions that depicted a constituency that only required a vision for transformation that would be fulfilled by a non-resident who had taken a liking to the people and their customs.
50 years ago, what stood here was the largest slum in the English-speaking Caribbean, where there was no infrastructure, no housing, no water, no roads, no lights. And what you have had is a modern community.
It is phenomenal. There is no words I can use to express the infrastructural development that has taken place. And because the development has not completed, so you can clearly see the contrast of where the people are coming from to where they are going. Mr. Seaga will speak about says he's going to take care of the people from the womb to the tomb. You know, that's something that he's very famous for. And he's not only have said it, he's actually lived up by it, because within the constituency, there's a maternity center. That's where I personally was born. My mother gave birth to me at the Caenwood maternity center in Tivoli Garden. We do have our own health facility, our own health center here in Denham Town. The Golden Age home is something that I personally love.
Seagas teach us a lot, gave us a lot, because the house where I live in, Seaga give my mother that.
Then the housing stock understands the importance of lifting the spirit, the mind of the people in terms of changing the social environment. So his plan is to take us from the tenement yard that he came and found us in, with sewage water running on the streets, to take us into a modern facility where we have inside shower. Parents and children don't have to share the same bedroom facility area. The culture program is very big on culture, very big on sports, and as a result, there's a lot of talent that came out of the constituency and out of Denham Town, largely because of his love and belief of culture.
As a young girl growing up, he used to take me like to Chakamolan to recite. Like flowers on my shoulders, slippers on my feet, ring on my finger, and mama's darling there. Do you think I'm sweet as a little black girl growing up? Thanks to Mr. Seaga.
Chakamolan, as history I've said it, Chakamolan is an instrumental point in the beginning of our music, modern music industry in Jamaica. And a lot of entertainers came out of Chakamolans right here in Denham Town.
This community center is a living testimony to what he did.
People lived in discarded cars, bits and pieces of scrap metal and cardboard tied together. Here was a nest where the worst criminals gathered and stamped their image on the face of West Kingston. What we set out to do was to reverse the process of decay, to demonstrate that even the wasteland of Bakka Wall could be reclaimed.
If Mr. Seaga had not decided to be our representative, the transformation that has taken place would not have taken place. you.